Hello guys, and welcome to Top 4 channel. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can use ChatGPT to create short stories for girls and sell them on Amazon KDP. If you're interested in self-publishing and want to create a book that is in demand, then this video is for you. Using the power of AI, you will be able to generate $81,000 in passive income from this children's storybook. Today I'll show you how you can do the same. You'll learn to find a book idea, to generate the book content, and even to create high-quality illustrations. As I was browsing Amazon looking for passive income business ideas, I stumbled across these simple storybooks for kids, and I was absolutely amazed at the amount of money these people are making with these books. In this case, this book has over 3,235 reviews and is priced at $8.99. If you multiply this price by the number of reviews, you can see that the passive income generated by this one single book is $28,792. The areas this video will cover include doing initial research on Amazon to ensure that you're creating a book that is in demand, short story creation using ChatGPT, creating the interior and cover of your book, and finally uploading your book to Amazon KDP. Let's start with the research. It's important to note that when you're creating a short story book for girls to sell on Amazon, you want to create something that is in demand so that buyers are actually looking for it and you have a higher chance of getting sales. The first step is to take a look at Amazon and find some ideas. You can find a lot of ideas simply by using the search bar on Amazon. Type in short stories for girls and you'll see that there are over 40,000 search results. This is too many to compete with, so we need to narrow down our search. To reduce the number of search results, take a look at the search bar again and Amazon will tell you what people are searching for regarding short stories. In this case, you can write short stories for kids 8 to 13 and press enter. You'll see that the number of search results has dropped to 788, which means you're competing with a lot fewer books. Keep repeating this process by taking a look at what keywords are offered or by scrolling down and looking at each of the books. Keep an eye out for repeated keywords and put them into the search bar to keep niching down. To make sure there is demand for these books, we're going to take a look at the bestseller rank BSR. The tool that I have been using is by self-publishing Productor for Merch by Amazon, which is free and shows the BSR when the book was created, and if it's independently published or not. The lower the BSR, the better. For example, if a book has a BSR of 480 and was independently published not too long ago, that's fantastic. Keep looking through the rest of the books and make sure they have a low BSR. Anything under 100,000 is excellent and tells you that you should publish in that niche right away. Now let's move on to short story creation using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that allows you to put in a prompt, and it will provide you with a very detailed response in seconds. I've done a video on this already, which I will link for you guys to check out. Once you've signed up and logged into ChatGPT, you can ask it to create a title based on what you've found on Amazon. Click enter and watch it create a title. If you're happy with it, you can go with it. We've gone with Empowering Tales. Inspiring short story for kids 9 to 12. If you're not happy with it, you can click Regenerate a response. Next, ask ChatGPT to create 4 unique short story titles for girls 8 to 13 years. The number is up to you. We're just using this example for this video. Make a note that the keyword here is unique because ChatGPT can come up with short story titles that are quite similar to existing titles, and you don't want to plagiarize anyone's work. If you're happy with your collection of short story titles, ask ChatGPT to expand on a particular number. For example, let's ask it to expand on number 1 by writing a 500-word story on a particular title. Just let me know the title, and I will expand on it based on my programming. Once you have the story written, it is essential to check for plagiarism using a reliable plagiarism checker. This step is crucial in ensuring that your content is unique and original. Many plagiarism checkers are available online, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs. After checking the content for plagiarism, the next step is to put it into a Word document and create the interior and cover. When creating the interior, you can use Word or any other software that you are comfortable with. You can also find several free tools available to to create the cover. Canva is one such tool that offers pre-designed templates that you can customize to suit your needs. Finally, you can upload your book to Amazon KDP and start selling it. Amazon KDP is a upload your book to Amazon KDP. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already done so. This process doesn't take too long. Just make sure you provide all the required information. Once you've set up your account, click on Create and select the paperback option. Enter your book title, which we know is Empowering Tales, followed by your subtitle, Inspiring Short Stories for Kids aged 8 to 13. You can also add some additional text to make the subtitle more interesting if desired. Choose an author name that you're happy with for the long term, as this cannot be changed later. The following task we will tackle is writing a book description. To simplify the process, we can use Chat. All you have to do is access Chat and enter a prompt to write a book description for your title, Empowering Tales. The AI will generate a detailed and impressive description, which you can simply copy and paste into the Amazon KDP description field. You may need to remove a few quotation marks before publishing. The next step is related to publishing rights, so it is important to ensure that you own them. After that, we move on to the keywords. These keywords are relevant and will help people find your book. To identify the appropriate keywords, you can browse through Amazon and look for similar books. In our case, we added motivational, confidence, and courage. It is crucial to fill out these boxes with related keywords to give your book the best chance of being found. Moving forward, you can choose the appropriate category for your book, taking the time to select the right niche. If you choose the correct category, your book has the potential to become a bestseller. Additionally, it is important to note if your book does not contain any adult content. Moving on to the next page, you will be uploading the interior of your book. If you only plan to upload your book to Amazon, you can choose a free ISBN. However, if you plan to publish with another publisher, you will need to pay for an ISBN. Choose the correct color for the interior, which is either black or white, and select the appropriate book size. You can also choose the bleed setting, but if you're unsure, read up on it or use Mac cover. Once the interior is uploaded, the next step is to upload the cover, which may take some time. Launch the previewer and review everything once it's uploaded. If you're not happy with the cover, go back to Canva and edit it, then click Approve, then Save and Continue. On the final page, set the price for your book. Look at other books similar to yours and price your book competitively with them. For this instance, a random price of $7.99 was chosen and the royalties are displayed. You also have the option of selecting expanded distribution, allowing larger distributors to buy your book in bulk. Round off each price in every marketplace to $9.99 to make it more appealing. Once you're satisfied with everything, publish your book. Keep in mind that it may take up to 3 days for Amazon to publish it.